Alright, welcome back to the garage. Limited slip racing. As I promised, I will show you our new surprise. But first I want to talk about the F1 races at the Circuit of America in Austin, Texas. It was a great race. We camped out there at Lot Inn and then decided that we would take our time going up to Colorado City, Texas. Never heard of the place before, but guess what was up there just this last weekend? The West Texas Mile, sponsored by the ECTA. It was a great time, great race. Unfortunately, it was the same weekend as the Texas Mile. We chose to go up there and help the promoter out, help him put this race on. And I got to tell you, it was a great surface, brand new runway, brand new asphalt pavement. It was fantastic. Anyway, back to the subject at hand. And here she is, freshly rewrapped Mustang. I think it looks a lot better. Black Optics lived up to their word. They took it back in for less than a week and had it done right. And she looks a lot better. Whole bunch is better. And as I said before I left, we are going to pull all the wiring out of the nitrous, get everything working, get it in there more permanent, and so with some flexible wire loom that doesn't stick out all over the place. And we'll keep you advised of that every step of the way. And as promised, the newest member of the race team, the 2008 Corvette. I'll tell you a little bit more about it here as soon as we shut it down. Okay, as I just said, this is a 2008 Corvette. It's a base model. It's got a 6.2 liter LS3 motor in it. It was a previous track car, so it's also got some nitrous feeds up to it. The motor needs to be refreshed, and that's okay because I had planned to do that anyway. But what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to keep it on the road and build the motor outside the car instead of always being under pressure to get this thing finished. I'm going to try to keep it as a street strip car. So it's going to take a couple years to get her ready to run that mile race and hit that 200 mile an hour mark. But this is, I'm pretty sure, going to be enough vehicle to get her done. As I say, it's a previous track car, so it needs a lot of work. I got it for a really good price, so that and the crew chief really liked the color. So we'll split our time up between the Mustang and the Wasp, as the crew chief likes to call her. She wanted to call it the Bumblebee, and thank God for the Transformers already taking that name. Anyway, it's got a little bit of carbon fiber on it, carbon fiber skirts and whatnot. We'll have to see if those are going to stay. The tires are going to go. They're old. They're really. Oh, I think they're older than I am. But anyway, here's your first look at the Wasp. It's a pretty car, nice color. And we'll see how she does. Just got it inspected and licensed yesterday, so we're going to be on the road with it now. Anyway, I'll keep you informed on the progress on this one, as well as the blue Mustang. Until the next time.